All right, traders, let's have a weekly recap on silver and gold, what's happened this week, and what's likely to happen moving forward. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders, before I get started, I am running a flash sale to my entire breakthrough trading course for just $7. That's right, $7 just to help you guys out. Bit of a Christmas gift for you. So if you're struggling with the foundations of what goes into a good trader, maybe you're learning how to read the charts, maybe some trading systems, maybe mindset, whatever, right? Whatever you need, I've actually put it in the breakthrough trading course for $7 only, but it is ending over the next few days. So click on the link in the description. So click on that link and you'll be able to see exactly the timer on the page. You can see when it actually ends as well too. So go click on that link in the description now for $7 only and get the help you need with these markets. Moving over to gold and silver, what an incredible week it's been for the gold and the silvers, right? The gold and the silvers. For the metals, right? The metals have really started to pick up and really started to gain a lot of momentum, but we're not out of the woodworks yet, right? We're not out of the woodworks yet. We're starting to develop a bit of a bottoming pattern when it comes to gold and silver, but we're not out of the woodworks yet. But we are starting to form that. And so let me show you what I mean here. If we can see, firstly, if I look over the last 6 months here, we can see that we definitely do have this level coming down through, right? So there is this level here where we're probably likely to run up and have a bit of problems here when it comes to the gold chart. Now, we also do have a significant level of resistance around this 1860 level, and you can see what happened through here. We created that V bottom situation, a V bottom through here. Then we came down, created a high low. Now we're pushing back up. So we're not 100% out of the woodworks yet because we could easily see something like that. And the thing is, guys, is I need to play devil's advocate. Obviously, I'm very bullish on gold. But you've also got to realize that the opposite can happen as well too in these markets. So we need to see gold now start to really break above 1900 and start to break out of this level through here. If we can do that, then that's going to be very powerful. And then a move back up to all-time new highs for the gold market, or for the gold chart there. Now, but looking on the weekly charts here, you can clearly see that once again, that we are definitely still in this overall big upward sort of resistance and support through here. So we definitely are in a overall big upward movement. If we have a look at the Fibonacci levels from this low point to the high point, you can see it came right back down to the 50% level and has held support. So because it came down and now it's actually bouncing back up, again, we definitely need it breaking above this level through here. That's actually a very powerful sign when a market comes down and bounces off the 50% and then continues up. Very powerful momentum to the upside. Moving over now through to the silver market, and silver once again silver's actually started to develop a lot of strength out of this. You can see silver was indeed in a triangle pattern coming down. We had this support around 22. Then we had this overall move to the downside, overall move to the upside. We had this sideways movement, and now we're just starting to slowly break out. Now, there's a bit of caveat with silver, guys. I'm bullish right now on silver. I both bought silver and I've also got options in silver as well too. So I'm bullish silver long term. But here is the thing. Silver's a wildcat, guys, okay? So as quick as it can go up, as quick as it can go down. I do believe we're on the start of the next big leg up, but silver will produce volatility, guys. We're not just going to go straight up. We will get big down days and then big up days and so on and so forth on the way up. Silver's going to be like Bitcoin, right? Big burns, big busts, but slowly moving up in the upward direction. So you can see what's going on through there with silver. And then also the weekly charts. You can see what's happening here with the weekly charts, which is very powerful. We had this sort of flash to the bottom here. Then we had this very big move up. Now we've had a bit of a pullback, and now we're just starting to slowly break out of this level. After a bit of a double bottom, you can see one bottom here, and now we're breaking out. So overall, guys, on silver, I am definitely bullish, but silver will produce volatility. If you are investing in silver, silver will produce massive amounts of volatility in the markets. And so just expect that, okay, guys. Just expect that. I was thinking something just then, but I'll talk about that in another video. But just expect that, okay, guys, because so many people that invest in silver don't recognize that the volatility that can actually come with silver. All right, so gold is a bit not as much, but silver can be a wildcat. So just expect the volatility to come. The good thing about that is that when you're on the right side of that volatility, and if the volatility spikes to the upside and you've got in your long like me, it can be very, very, very exciting for those times. So I hope this helps you out today, guys. Once again, make sure you grab that $7 trading course below. If you need help with your chart reading, maybe trading systems, maybe mindset, maybe even what goes into a good trader, then biggest mistakes you're making, so on and so forth, then make sure you go down and get that $7 trading course below.